Morning, lovers. It's a beautiful morning over here in Kenya, East Africa, specifically Nairobi, Kenya. Your beautiful girl here, Beryl Afro TV, is back again with a beautiful video of lazing around with me today. I'm basically just showing you a part of me. And today is a beautiful morning that the Lord has made, and I'm gonna rejoice in it. So guys, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment on my beautiful videos, and support a baby girl. If you know, you know it. So guys, stay around, stay tuned. I'm just trying to be consistent, so just watch. Thank you, and I love you all. Friends, I really love to just see nature. Just wake up, come here, see the nature. Beautiful buildings over here. I hate washing dishes. I'm done clean. I'm done with the dishes. It's not easy, but a girl has to be a girl. So to the next chore. It's not a chore really, but if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Support a baby girl. Yeah, you should. Okay, to the next one is washing something. Let me show you. Ta-da! Mangoes and more mangoes. It's the season of mangoes in Kenya. Yeah, look at this. It's the season of mangoes in Kenya, basically from the Kamba tribe. In Kenya we are over 40 tribes, precisely, if not wrong, 42. So we have a tribe called Kamba tribe that grows mangoes. This sector, you cannot beat them. These are game and they're good at it. So it's the season. It has been a season for a while, from January, if not wrong. Yeah, and we're basically been eating mangoes. So we are glowing because of mangoes. Kudos to Kamba. My Kamba people, clock it. Okay guys, let's watch the mangoes. done with my bath, so want to do something next, something constructive. To you something sensitive. This goes mostly to my TikTok subscribers. No, TikTok followers. They don't subscribe, that they follow. Okay. Mainly this, I'm addressing this because I help people get jobs on TikTok, and there's just something alarming. Be careful, be watchful with someone who offers you a job, because I have heard that there's organ trafficking people who will come to you, tell you that we got you a job, come with your CV, come with your papers, meet us at this address. And when you see the address, you have never, like, it feels secluded, it feels weird. Girl, trust your instincts. So my main concern and alarm is to tell you that be careful, because the story is, when you get the address, they will tell you, like, they will offer you something to drink, maybe juice or a glass of water. To you it will seem normal, you'll feel like, these people are welcoming, these people are good. But here is the plot twist. After you get drunk, or after you drink the water or the juice, things will go south. Because why? You will go straight into a coma. Like, the drug will be dragging you, so you will not know what is going on, only to wake up with a bandage on your body. So scary, right? So just be careful, watch out, and trust your instincts. Just be extra careful. We are in Kenya and people are after money. So your kidney, the lady who was telling the story, her kidney was taken away. So voila, let's get to business. I'm back again. I want to prepare something for me to eat. So let's do this. I want to boil some eggs. Yeah. Which I'm always scared while preparing, because they say here in big cities here in Nairobi, they make eggs, like artificial eggs. Have you seen those videos? But inshallah, I believe God got us, because I don't know, but we just risk it. We don't have a choice, because it's not easy to rear your own chickens and get your own eggs. But sometime when you get, maybe I feel like people who have their own compound and they can make up like a small area and rear chickens, can be safe from this thing that people are making their own eggs and selling. So I don't know if you know the difference between artificial eggs and real eggs. Tell us. Okay, then yeah. The mango is so looks delicious, right? Right? Hey, bon appetito. You people love to eat with eyes. If you are a Kenyan, you will understand. Kula na macho jamani. Okay. Oh, sorry. Right now, this mango is going for 20 Kenyan shillings. That's 2 cents, if not wrong. 2 cents, imagine. We are enjoying. You know, people in other countries can't relate. they buy they buy these with a lot of money. Okay. Then sweet potato. Okay. Trying to cut to smaller pieces so that it can cook faster. Okay, my eggs, I've already plated the mango, but still waiting for my eggs and sweet potato to boil. So come back later. Okay, so come with me. I'm going to the mini market to get some lemon for my coffee. I like my lemon to have coffee. So let's go. It's a beautiful morning. Let's go. I got the lemon. Going back. So let's go. Okay, my coffee. So this is the end of my morning routine. So Team Beryl Afro TV, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. And two, you are welcome for my breakfast and you can try out my routine. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please join Team Beryl Afro TV. Let's try out this life. Life doesn't have a manual, so we just live it. Okay, you're welcome. And this is a final thing. Coffee. It has ginger. I grated ginger and lemon. I don't take sugar. Okay, and then here we go. Sweet potatoes, boiled eggs, and some juicy mangoes from the Kambas. Okay, from Kambani. I'm just being dramatic. So till next time, bye.